Hey guys, it's Kevin. Going into the trading week of March 16th here, coming up on a Fed meeting. The big story is interest rates and how that is supposedly affecting the market. I don't really follow that stuff, so I'm not going to pretend like I do, but I am aware of what the talking heads are saying. All I really care about is price action, and came into this past week where we declined nicely in the S&P, and I was repping a Bulls jersey, and as you can see, I'm still repping a Bulls jersey. And we did get a nice decline, actually went red on the year, came below 2058. However, we held 2040 on the S&P as a low and caught a little bit of a bounce on Friday into the close to come up towards about 2053 or so. So nice leg down. I was wrong this past week. However, now I do think we get a bounce out of this 2040 range, and I think the risk and reward favors the bullish side of the trade, and it's a good setup to me versus this 2058 area. Again, that's your 2014 close on the S&P. So while we're in the red on the year now, I think if you get a bounce back above 2058, that can set up some momentum. However, if we're committing below 2058 and particularly breaking below 2040 this past week's support, that's where I really would then tip my hat to the bears further and say they're getting a move down towards 2000, where then 2000 is a key level, more intermediate to longer term. So nice setup. I'm repping with the Bulls. I'm repping with MJ, number 2-3, the greatest to ever do it, to remind you guys that this bull market has been one of the greatest bull markets of all time. So we shouldn't write it off. And buy the dip didn't work this past week. I think you might have a better shot of it working this week. However, again, 2058, can't stress it enough. If we're staying red, that's where I look for further downside. So I do want to see a bounce back above 2058, 2060, certainly by Tuesday, to set up continuation higher, with that Fed meeting possibly being a fundamental catalyst, as they say. So that's what I need to see in order to keep this jersey on. Break down below 2040, shift to the Bears jersey. I'm looking for a move down towards 2025 to 2000, where then whatever happens at 2000 is very important. Individual stock basis, Google thought she did some good work over the last couple of weeks. However, she got wrecked last week, giving up all of its 550 breakout, and is now back testing that 550 area. Really needs to hold this 550, 555 range if it wants to bounce back up towards 575. Apple, iWatch announcement, looks to have been priced in. Stock pulled back, came down towards 123, 124 off of a 121 weekly low. Watch 125. I like 125. It's just a round level, that quarter mark above 100. I think if you stay below 125, that would be a negative sign. I'd look for pressure down towards 120 to 118. But if you can regain 125, I'd look at that as a stabilizing factor for the broader market as a whole to set up a bounce. 125 on Apple is your level to watch. Good luck, guys. Thanks.